Hello, virtuous friends! It's Sadie, a vegan girl from the Sumatran Rhino Kingdom. I love a healthy vegan tropical treat to keep me cool. We have a cool tip on how to make a vegan orange creamsicle smoothie. Combine 2 frozen bananas, 240 milliliters or 1 cup of orange juice, 240 milliliters or 1 cup of plant-based milk, and 2 to 3 milliliters or 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a blender, and blend everything together for about a minute or 2 until it's smooth and creamy. If the consistency is too thick, you can add more plant-based milk to thin it out. If you wish, you can substitute the bananas for 150 grams or 1 cup of frozen mangoes or cauliflower. These will all result in a creamy texture. You can also add some vegan syrup or a date for added sweetness. To make the smoothie more filling, include a scoop of your favorite vegan vanilla protein powder. You can also freeze this mix for a lovely vegan popsicle for us kids. Enjoy this tasty, nutritious treat. Thank you for watching. Lots of love for being veg and going green to save the planet, for all humans and us all co-inhabitants alike.
Vegan, the lives you spare will shoulder you there, heaven, of course.